Let us all stand for a prayer. Please be able to receive a prayer. Amen. Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
So before you take your seat, kindly arrange your seats and pick up some pieces of paper lying on the floor. You now take your seat. So who are absent today? Is
None,
anyone?
sir.
Okay, very good. No one is absent today. So how are you this morning?
Fine.
That's good to hear. So are you ready for the next lesson?
Yes, sir.
But before that, I have some agreements for you to be followed. So these would be our classroom rules. Everyone, please read.
Classroom rules. Number 1. Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Number 2. Do not talk with your seatmates. Number 3. Participate actively in the class.
So class, do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So this morning, we will move on to another topic. But before that, we will have a short activity. I will group you into 2 groups. But before that, let's have a short review in the past lesson that we have for adjectives. So, define adjectives.
Sir.
Yes, Miss Buko.
Adjectives that describe a noun.
Your answer is correct. Thank you. Yay! Okay, and now I will let you arrange these jumbled letters and paste it on the board. So group 1. Okay, so for the first activity, there are these jumbled letters and paste it on the board. Okay, this will be for group 1 and for group 2. But before that, wait! Can you read the meaning of the word that we have for the first activity?
Are both vocal expression of a strong
What?
emotion.
Again.
Are both vocal expression or strong
emotion.
emotion or
Wow! Urgency.
urgency typically characterized by loudness and intensity.
Okay, thank you so much,
Sir.
class. So, in 3, 2, 1, you will face down. Okay. Yeah! Wow!
Mga peke.
Kulang!
Hoy, lalo na tayo bante. Dali na. Face yung yellow. Sige, balik.
Balik daw!
Ang pink diri ko. Tapos ang yellow diri sa buwan pala. Sige na. Handa.
Balik!
Okay, again. Sinupuan na ko.
Mau balik? Urgent.
Okay, so can you read the word that you paste?
Shout. Scream.
Again.
Shout. Scream.
Okay, so what can you say about the words you have formed?
Shout and scream have the same meaning.
Very good. So based on the words that you're formed, what do you think is our topic this morning?
Synonymy, sir.
Again,
It's all about synonymy.
synonym or synonyms? Let's find out. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Synonyms. Yeah. Yes. 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 Our topic for this morning is all about.
Synonyms.
Yes, you're right. So before that, can you read our objectives for today?
Adjectives. At the end of
Again.
Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify synonyms of words. B. Appreciate the use of synonyms through sentence construction and essay writing. And C. Perform different activities using synonyms.
Okay, so exactly right. A synonym is a word, morpheme, or phrase that means exactly or nearly the same as another word. Can you read what is synonyms?
Pati pagbasa na ay discrimination.
A synonyms is a word, morpheme, or phrases that means exactly or nearly the same as another word. Morpheme or phrase is a given language. For example, in the English language, the words begin, start, commence,
Yes. And initiate.
and initiate are all synonyms of one another. They are synonymous. The standard test for synonymy is substitution. One word can be replaced by another in a sentence without changing its meaning. Words are considered synonymous. There is only one particular sense. For example, long and intended in the context long time or extended time, extended family.
Okay, so who can read the So who can read? These would be the examples for synonyms. Everyone, please read.
Go.
Example: the yarn is beautiful. The yarn is pretty.
Okay, so what have you observed in the sentence?
They are the same meaning, but
Yes, very good. They have the same thought. So kindly give me an example of a synonyms and use it in a sentence. But before that, there are many examples I will give you this morning. Yeah, enjoy reading. Please read.
the cat Vicky sprinted across the yard.
Number 2.
She was.
Hala, don't say no. Please say what's ecstatic. Ecstatic.
She was ecstatic when she received the good news.
Number 3.
The old mansion was airy in the moonlight. Number 4. He diligently studied for his exams all week. He diligently studied for his exam all week.
Number 5.
The chief's culinary skills improves everyone at the dinner party.
Okay, so these examples, the number 1, in the number 1, synonyms here quickly is the same as rapidly and as well as sprinted dash. And number 2, synonyms ecstatic means thrilled and good means positive. So number 3, the old means ancient or and eerie means spooky. Spooky. Number 4, synonyms diligently meaning attentively studied, prepared, as well as number 5, culinary cooking and impressed is amazing. So now that you've understand the lesson, do you understand the lesson?
Yes, sir.
Again, do you understand our lesson?
Yes, sir.
So, again,
Yes, sir.
now that you have understand the lesson, what is synonyms?
Synonyms
Are words that having the same
having
meaning.
the same meaning.
Sige, ka.
Synonyms having the same meaning.
Okay, so synonyms are words that having the same or nearly the same meaning. So, my question is, why is synonym important? Okay, on I matubag, I was the one who answered. So, knowing synonyms can help you express yourself better, more clearly, help you express yourself better, more clearly. That way, you are able to deliver the exact message you intend to communicate. So now, we will have an activity. Yay! Nalipay mo, class. Our activity. again. So this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Representative from the group, please. It would be your task. The first group, group number 1, it would be your task. So please read group 1.
Identify the synonyms of the underlined words and the lyrics of shake it off. Change the underlined words with its corresponding synonym and sing the song with the changed lyrics in that class.
Okay, and the lyrics is. Are you familiar with this song by Taylor Swift?
Yes, sir.
I say I'm so gay, but nothing in my brain. Just what you saying. Yes, that song. And the music. So for now, group 2, this would be your task.
Go.
Group 2, can you read your direction? Ay, makasumpag man sa kukuan. Okay, group 2, can you read your direction?
That's the treasure hunt. Look.
For the words.
Uh,
For the words. For the words natin. Ako lang.
Look for the words scattered in the room. Identify the words which are synonymous to each
To each other.
to each other and use this word in a sentence.
So, your this would be. Okay. So, by group, please get 1 whole sheet of paper. 1 whole. And for the group 1, you will present this in front of the class.
Ikaw na.
Number 2, and all you need to do is, if mo pang itaon there sa iyahang meaning, yung same meaning, so there's intelligent,
Matching.
matching type. And after that, we're himo kang word and use those words in a sentence.
Matay ko ba? Select the answer.
Of course, all you need to do is to write.
Let's welcome the arrival of our Disney princess. Nga lami kayo.
Why are you late? Ha? Partner, super. Horizon. And for the layout, people. Okay, people. Human.
Ang loyal.
Sige.
So then, what's the brain?
Okay, kahit what's a brain.
Skull. No, it's head.
Got nothing in my skull.
Head na lang, head.
Oh, head. Nothing in my head. That's what you would see. I got too many. What's a many? Plenty?
Plenty.
I got too plenty beans. But I can make. What's a make?
People.
Sa yung topic day ko ano?
Synonyms. Synonyms.
Then, matay ko answer.
Okay.
And
So,
then-
present.
Wala ako. Yan.
The verb connected.
Yes. Sige lang, M&M lang good for our M&M class.
People.
All you need to do is to understand the lesson. The lesson that we have for this. What? But stop moving. When stop moving. Stop in my mind. So pick it up. Pick it up.
Yan, that's the one. Oy, nalilito
Oh.
pa yung kanta, oy.
Don't worry. Okay? Time is up.
Jenny na lang mo kay
Now,
Mayo,
please,
pamili.
Jenny na lang, makanta siya louder.
Kanta mo to.
Katasag. Sige, paute. Sige na. O sige, ano lang ganito? Sige, dali. Tingnan mo, please.
Ano kayo nimo?
That's what people say. That's what people say. I go out to many things. But I can make it stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. banda mo. Ibangan, so yung Okay, so let's give group 1 a big round of applause. Thank you so much for your cooperation. And for the next group 2, I know, oh my God, the criteria, we forgot the criteria, guys. Can you read the criteria? Criteria, go, basta, read. Criteria.
Criteria. Operation 40%, content 30%, performance 30%, overall 100%.
Okay, so operation, guys, 5% from home. Content sa home. Okay, so Pesto, please proceed in front and read. Magana-ana, ito ba sa video naman ako na. Okay, the floor is yours.
Pag-istorya lang kung atik.
Tubang sa camera kami. Hala!
Ato bang dili mo tago.
Intelligence, dangerous, and partner, comparison,
Me.
loyal, people, rescue, brilliant, vacant, empty, rose, and pink. Your boyfriend is people. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, so time is up. Thank you so much for your cooperation. And now our evaluation. So again, everyone, please get 1/2 crosswise for our evaluation. So the direction is. Okay. Ako na magbasa ka na, diba? Identify the synonyms of the underlined words from the words inside the box. So rewrite the given sentences with the synonym which corresponds to the underlined words. So, ang underlined, ano yung mga words na nasa box, guys? Wait lang, sorry. Okay, kane. Oh. Surprise, fine, careful, lucky, and peace. So all you need to do is, pag-isa ulit yung read ang iyang same meaning here in the underlined word. Okay? And 3, 2, 1, timer starts now.
Pagpaka-busy-busy pun mo dira uy. Mura mo dili mga peke ha.
Yes, mga plastic. Ang labayo ka na. 18 years of my profession. Kamu dyan ang pinaka-worst ka section. Para mo na kung dili, mas puti pa yung nawang kaysa sa buhok. Kami sa una. Okay.
Pagpaka-busy-busy ti.
You? Mali para na kayo. Unknown scams stay. Like those sandals, kami scared to the good part. Okay. 30 seconds left. Oh my God. I feel painted. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so thank you so much. I will be the one to check who will go. Who's that not? Who will?
I'll be the one to check.
I'll be the one to check your paper. And for your assignment, okay. And in assignment, and in 1/2 crosswise, make 10 sentences using synonyms. And that would be, and you will pass it by next week. And so much for that for this morning. Thank you so much for
Pangutana sa, do you have any
Do
question?
you have any question regarding for our lesson?
Answer.
Plans. Okay. So for
Since
our
there's-
recapitulation.
Since you
And
don't have
for
any
the-
question.
Okay. Since you don't have any questions, and the synonyms, again, the synonyms is a word that having or nearly having the same meaning. Okay. So thank you for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye.
Mabuhay na, sir.